Okay, in this video, we're going to learn another math technique, and this involves squaring a number that's near 50. And so these are the problems that we're going to solve together. So first, I'm going to show the technique. Then I'm going to show you the proof behind it. And so what we do is we take 50, because the number is close to 50, always 50. Then we do 50 divided by 2, and then we add or subtract, depending on if the number is bigger than 50 or less than 50. In our case, it's bigger than 50 by 4. So I'm going to say plus 4. Now, 50 divided by 2 is 25. 25 plus 4 is 29. Now, this will be an important number. Next, we take this 4 and we square it. 4 squared gives you 16, another important number. And if you do 54 squared, your answer will be 2916. This right here is your final answer. And I encourage you to verify with a calculator. And now for the proof. So I'm going to say 50 plus a close it squared. Like I said, this method is good if the number is close to 50, whether bigger or smaller. So let's expand this out. So we have 50 plus a times 50 plus a. Now 50 times 50 gives you 2,500. 50 times a is going to be 50a. A times 50, another 50a. And then a times a, we get a squared. And so we get 2,500 plus 100a plus a squared. At this point, if we focus on these two pieces, we could factor out 100. And we would get 100 parentheses 25 plus a, close it, plus a squared. This right here is equivalent to this. And so now let's think about this. 50 divided by 2, we get 25. We always will. Plus a, in our case, our a term is 4. So we get 29. This piece right here is 29. Then we multiply by 100. 29 times 100 is going to give us 2,900. But then we also have a squared, so 4 squared. So 2,900 plus 16. And that's why this works. We're going to do 3 more problems. So same thing, you could say 50 divided by 2, or just straight up say 25, plus we have our 1, and we get 25 plus 1 is 26, an important number. Then we say 1 squared. Now this is important. You don't just put the number 1, put 0, 1. And so now our final answer is 2601, and that's all we need to do for this problem. So same idea, 50 divided by 2, but this time we are 1 less, so I'm going to say minus 1. So we get 24, an important number. And then we do 1 squared. Again, we get 1, but say 0, 1. And so our final answer is 2401. And if you want, we can quickly prove this one also. So it's like 50 minus a. We square it. And so we can say we have 50 minus a times 50 minus a. And then if we do our FOIL, we get 2,500 minus 100a plus a squared. If we focus on these two pieces, we factor 100, we get 100, parentheses, 25 minus a, close it, plus a squared. And so this 25 is from 50 divided by 2. That's how we get 25. Minus a, in our case, minus 1, so we get 24. 24 times 100 is 2,400. But then we're adding a squared, which we said is 1, so 1 squared. So we have 2,400 plus 1, which we get this number right here. All right, so our last one. So again, if you want to go straight up and say 25, you can go ahead and do that. Minus 7, we're going to get 18. That's an important number. And then we do 7 squared, we get 49, another important number. And so our final answer is 1849. And that's all we need to do for this problem.